Hello loves, it's Amy the Color Queen and welcome to part 2 of an 8 or 9 part series called the Rainbow Series on my channel. Today's look is orange. We start out with my foundation. Thankfully it does not give me an orange tint. That would be kind of embarrassing. And I just put that all over my face and blend it out. Next I apply primer and then set everything with some powder. Here's where the orange in the orange tutorial comes in. I use a highlighter with an orange flip to it and apply it on my cheekbones, on the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and on my cupid's bow, the center of my chin, and the center of my forehead. And then I just blend it out with my finger. I was feeling very like autumn fairy vibes as I was doing this makeup. Next, I take a peach blush and apply it to the apples of my cheeks. For the eyebrows, I use a neon orange from the Festival palette from Juvia's Place, and I fill in my eyebrows that way. For the eye look itself, I use Orange You Glad from Colourpop. I start out with the lightest orange shade in the palette and put it all over my lid. Next, I take Rise and Grind and put it all over my crease. Then I take Sun Kissed and put it on the rest of my lid. Then I used Mimosa Mommy and I used it on my outer corner and took it underneath my eye. Then I use this shade Squeeze Me to highlight the inner corner of my eye and also my brow bone. Then I use Tangerine Dreams on the center of my lid. To finish it off, I pressed Clementine onto my lid. Then I went in with a brown eyeliner and tightlined my eyes. I took a coppery eyeliner and used it for the inner corners. Then I took my nude eyeliner and just lightened everything up. Then I added my mascara. For lips, I just used an orangey nude. And that's my completed orange lip. To make it more wearable, I would probably fill in my eyebrows their usual brown color, but I wanted to add that cute little orange wig. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.